Hi guys, I made this video for those who are using AutoCAD for the first time. If this is your case, welcome to my session. I hope you guys get motivated and learn how to use by the AutoCAD. As you see, I am using AutoCAD 2021 student version. However, if you have another versions, there is no any problem because in other versions there's only a bit difference in the layout and the rest it is almost same. If you guys can work with the AutoCAD 2012, it is same, and you can work in for 2021. There is no much difference. We can start any type of the actions by typing the command names with the keyboard. For example, if I want to draw a line, I just simply write the line command by the keyboard and it will get activated and I can draw a line. And if I tap unit UN and I can open the panel of the unit. And if I hold my mouse pointer on any of the above icon, you can see a small box with a briefly description of that icon, and in below of that one you can see the command name of that icon. And if you type that command in the commands with the keyboard, that icon will get activated. And the name of the commands is same for the all versions. Now I'm talking about Workspace. How we can use the mouse and its button. This whole black page is with the grids or the Workspace, and this is called the mouse indicator. If we scroll up, it will zoom the Workspace. If we scroll down, it will zoom out the Workspace. If you click right button, you will see so many options, and if you click the left button, it is used for the selections. For example, for the selection from the left to the right, the screen will look like blue color, and we have to cover all the objects, then it will get select. And for the selection from the, we need to just as soon as it's touched the object, the object will get selected. And for removing the selection, you just enter ESC on your keyboard button. Now I'm going to talk about how to set up and edit unit. I just type UN, then press enter. Here below the length we have choose the types of our project unit. I choose decimal for my drawing. In some others companies or countries, they are choosing architectural and engineering units. So here in precision we have so many options to use. I choose 0 with 0.20 for my drawing. And here in angle, I choose decimal degrees for my drawing, and you have other options to use like degree, grades, radian, seviers. So in here also in precision, I choose 0 with 2.20. Here in insertion scales, you have so many options and for my drawing I choose the centimeters. Also you can choose inches, feet, or other options, and then we press enter. Now I am going to explain limit command. As you see, our project space is not very wide, but it is so simple to solve that. Just type LMI, then press enter. Then it is asking to specify lower left corner. For that, just we enter first 0, 0, then we enter, then we specify the upper right corner. For my drawing I choose 1000, 1000, then press enter. As you see, it has been accepted 0, 0 and 1000, 1000, but limit has not been applied yet. To apply limit, we have to give zoom all. For that, just simply type Z, enter, A, enter for all. Now we give limit to our work space. Now I am teaching how to draw in AutoCAD. For that purpose, I will start from command line. Line is a very important command for drawing. We use it most of the time in our drawing. To draw a line without specific dimensions and directions, we go to Home panel and then click on line, or second options for drawing a line, just simply type line or L with the keyboard and press enter. If we see here in command bar, we can see that command line activated. To start drawing with the line command, just click anywhere on Workspace to enter the first point, and then click again somewhere to give second point. For example, I choose here. To cancel the line command, just press ESC by keyboard. Now I am drawing a line with dimensions in horizontal and vertical directions only. For that purpose, first we have to active Ortho Mode on. Like here, I click, it's on now. Type line again and give first point. As you see, I am allowed only to draw in horizontal and vertical directions only. So now, as I explained before, units, and I set up it to centimeters, I type 20 centimeters for my horizontal line and 10 centimeters for my vertical line, and like that I will continue to finish my drawing. And then at the end I will close it, and then I press ESC. Now I am teaching you how to draw a line with angles. So again I type L, enter, specify my first point, Second, I draw, for example, 10 centimeter here, and then my second line, I type 5 centimeter, and then here I just press tab by keyboard, and now I can specify the angle which I want my line to be. For example, I type here for example 45 degree, and as you see this line is 45 degrees with the horizontal. Thanks for watching the first part of AutoCAD tutorial for the beginners. If you want to see more tips, tricks and techniques, please subscribe to CAD in Civil. Bye now, see you in the next video.